Hi guys, this is Jerry Stewart with AVI. So what we need is a formula. So we take the horsepower of the engine, we can look that up, times 0.5 divided by 6 equals gallons per hour. Well, our tool measures gallons per minute. So we need to take that gallons per hour, simply divide it by 60. That gives us gallons per minute. So let's use that formula. If I have a 350 horsepower motor, I multiply that times my 0.5, well, it's just cutting it in half, 175. Divided by 6, because that's what fuel weighs, about 6 pounds per gallon, equals 29.16 gallons per hour. Flip that into gallons per minute. I divide it by 60. I come up with 0.49 gallons per minute. So using the formula, I can determine my fuel volume. Using my volume tester, I can determine what volume I have. And so I know that this is going to work, right? Give you an example. I had a Ford Focus that would start to surge a little bit at about 120 miles an hour. Yeah, it was a kind of a fancy, sporty Focus. It would actually do 120 to 140 miles an hour. So it would start to surge at that point. Hard to do testing at 120 miles an hour going down the interstate. For one, it's illegal, right? So I ran it on the volume tester. And what I noticed after fuel pump got warm, it would start to fade out and the volume was going up and down in my fuel volume tester. So it was easy to test in those, right in the bay. I didn't need to go out and put it on the racetrack to fix this car. My name is Jerry Stewart with AVI, and look for us next time.